Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. So today's video we are doing the tips, tricks, hidden features and settings talking video of the Iqoo 7 Pro, and this is the HB 256GB variant of the Iqoo 7 Pro in the graphite matte color. So guys, first of all, let's start off from the most interesting features. How to unlock your phone without pressing any buttons. So I'm just gonna lift my phone. You can see I'm not pressing any buttons. Instantly you can see the phone is unlocked. I'm showing once again. You can see this is the fastest method. So I will show you. So just go to settings. And just first of all, just go to security. You can see security and just tap the face, and you need to add the face. 1 2 3 4, I'm typing my pin, and first of all you need to add the face, and then you can see an option, stay on lock screen after unlocking. You need to disable this option. One more option is you need to do, so just go below and go to shortcuts and accessibility. Just tap over here and tap smart function, and you can see smart screen on and off and turn on raise to wake. So what happens is whenever you lift your phone up, automatically it will scans for your face. You can see I'm just locking my phone, and you can see it scans for my face, and whenever my face is detected, it automatically went to the home screen. That is first raise to wake, and the next feature is we have already discussed, that is in the security face. Whenever the face is detected, directly go to the home screen. So that is it regarding the first unlocking method. How to take a screenshot? Just give a 3-finger swipe for the screenshot like this. It's really cool. And just go to settings. You can see, just scroll down again, go to shortcut accessibility. You can see yes, capture a screenshot. And the thing is, if you just swipe, and if it's a web page, that means it will be scrolling down and all, and all you need to do is just tap this long screenshot option. Automatically if it's just scroll down and down, you can see like this. And whenever you need to stop, just tap over here, and you can see you reach at bottom, and now you can just click save. So for long screenshot you can do that. And even you can have a few options like the image quality and recording sound and all. You can have a customization option also. And then we have a smart split option. That means if you just turn this on, how to set that? Suppose if I'm in the Chrome and I need to open another application, so I just give a 3-finger swipe up, and next I am opening the next application. So at the same time you can open Gmail as well as the Chrome at the same time. So this is also really cool. So that is a smart split option which is also available. Next we have smart screen on and off options, and starting off we already discussed the raise to wake, and next is the double tap to wake. So that means if your screen is locked like this, just give a double tap like this, automatically the phone will be turned on. And next is double tap to turn off. That means if you double tap that blank area, automatically the phone will be locked. Next is a set of smart calling options. So just tap over here and you can see smart call. First of all, if a contact is already in your phone, and just whenever the phone contact is displayed on the phone, just pick up the phone to there, automatically calls that person. And next is a smart answer. That means when you are receiving incoming call, just place your phone automatically, they automatically answers the call. That's a smart answer. And next is a smart switch. That means if your phone is already in the speaker, and just lift the phone to there, automatically switch the handset. And next, smart mute. That means if you're receiving incoming call, just place your hand on your phone, automatically mutes the call. And then flip to mute incoming calls. That means when you are receiving incoming call, just flip up your phone like this, automatically mutes the call. And wave to hands free. That means when you're receiving incoming call, just wave your palm across the phone, automatically answers the phone hands free. Next is StOn Flashlight. So just turn this on. What happens is when you're in the lock screen or home screen, automatically if you shake it over here, then automatically the flashlight would be turned on. You can see, wow, the aura light, it looks really cool. So this is it. Take a photo. Okay, so I'm just gonna unlock my phone first and then tapping the camera. Okay, so is this the step? No, there is an easy way. Just, so currently my phone is locked. I'm just pressing once the volume down and holding it, press and hold, and you can see instantly the camera opens. And if I just take a photo, you can see the photo is there, but I couldn't go to the gallery because the phone is still locked. You can see if I just go back, you can see phone is still locked. So how to set this up? Instantly I could go to any of the applications. So just go to settings, and I'm just scroll down to find the option shortcut accessibility, and then you can see quick actions, the feature which I'm currently turned on. You can see open camera, or you can set to flashlight, record, or open Facebook, or open any app. So you can assign it to any app which you are already installed. So if you're a gamer, you can assign to PUBG, Call of Duty and all. And regarding, you can just customize it in your own way. So that option is also available. Then press and hold the power button. So if you just press and hold, currently what happens is you can see the Google Assistant is there. So it might be annoying for some people. So you can just set to power menu itself. So just tap over here and set to power and emergency menu. Now if we just press and hold, you can see automatically the power and emergency menu appears. Imagine a scenario where you need to go to any of the applications or any of the shortcuts. So usually what you do, just open up the app launcher and just go to the application which you selected, or again go to your apps and then select the shortcuts and all. So no need to do that. Just you can see I'm just clicking this area. I'm just clicking randomly. You can see so many shortcuts are here. You can see screenshot shortcuts along with the lock screen shortcuts and background application shortcuts, and along with many of the applications are there. So you can instantly go to the Facebook by just tapping over here, instantly go to Chrome by just tapping over here. You can see instantly goes to Chrome. And if I need to take a screenshot, just tap over here, instantly takes a screenshot. And if I need to go to another applications, for example calculator, you can see I can go to calculator instantly. No need to again go to home and select app from here. How to set this up? Just go to settings and just scroll down to find the option shortcut and accessibility and turn on easy touch, and you can see customize menu. By default that would be just 2 or 3 shortcuts on application. So just tap to add and select the applications which you frequently use. So I'm selecting few of the applications which I'm frequently using, and along with that you can also select the shortcuts which you frequently use. Just tap to add and select the shortcuts which you frequently use, like calculator, screen recording, lock screen, or flashlight, or whatever maybe. So and just assign it in the way. And the next thing is you need to reassign this. Once you tap over here, and you can reassign, see, you can reassign this to any location. So I would suggest keep it in the exact same position as the power button, so that you can find it the easy next time. You can see it will be just appear as a small bubble over here. So just locate this power button and just tap over here, instantly this would be appear. And here are some more opacity. You can select the visibility and all. So you can see currently it's almost invisible, so you can set to maximum opacity. So it's based on your personal customization. You can customize it even further. Button navigation is too outdated for now, so I'm gonna use gesture navigation. So just go to settings, and this is really is, once you just familiarize, this will be the fastest way to switch applications. Along with that, you can customize it in an even further way. So just go to settings, system, and just tap system navigation over here, and just tap gesture navigation. So you can see, and just go to home by just giving a swipe like this. It will be home, and just swipe up and stop at the middle for the reasons. And next is switching between the applications. So if you are opening few applications, let me open few applications like this. So you can see currently I am open few applications. So usually how we switch apps, so again this application, again go to reasons, and again selecting another application. No need for that, just do this stuff. You can see like scrolling photos through the gallery, you can just switching the apps. This is the fastest way to switch apps. You can see it's really, so that feature works like buttery smooth. And one more thing is that actually you can see currently there is a small bottom bar. If you want to hide that also, you can have an option hide bottom bar. Now you can see completely immersive display over here. Wow. And next, along with that, I need to mention one more feature, that is the one-handed mode. So it's on the shortcut and accessibility itself, and you can see one-handed mode. So you can just tap over here and just turn on. How to enable this? Just give a swipe in, swipe out, swipe in, swipe out. See, and if you want to increase the size, just tap over here and you can increase size and all, and just click the into bar, automatically it would be on the normal screen. So that was one-handed mode. Next we are going to talk about the app lock, app hide, and private safe. So just go to settings, just scroll down, you can see an option security, and just go to this option privacy and app permission. Just tap over here, and it asks for setting a privacy password. So I'm just gonna set it at, so okay, it's done, and asking some random questions. So let me answer these questions by randomly. So it's done for the moment, and you can see app immigration is the app lock, and app hiding is the hiding of the applications. So first of all, just start from the app immigration. That means the locking the application. So first of all, I'm going to lock albums for reference, and now if you tap the albums, so you can see it is locked. So I need to use my pattern for unlocking. And the next thing, it is asking whether you want to use your fingerprints or scanner or face recognition. So you can just turn on right away itself, and it asks for your pin. I would typing my pin, and now you're good to go. Now you can see if I type albums, I could use my fingerprint and unlock. And the very next time if I open the albums, you can see the albums is already unlocked. So each and every time while I closing this application, it should be locked. Then how to set this up? Again, go to the same location, privacy and app immigration, and just tap the app immigration, and you can see app lock type. Just tap over here and switch when the screen is locked or the app is closed. So that means automatically when the app is exited, automatically the app would get again locked. So that is it regarding the app immigration. Next is the app hide. That means the hiding of the applications. So first of all, just I'm going to hide Facebook for the moment right now. So just you can see, and after hiding, you can see an option view hidden apps. swipe up with 2 fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. Just turn this on. What happens is whenever just you swipe up with 2 fingers, automatically it asks for your fingerprints or face. So I am typing the fingerprint scanner, and you can see automatically the lock hidden apps would be shown over here. So that is really easy to use these features. And if you want to unblock, you can again go to the privacy and app function, and again go to the app hiding and just unselect. That means I unselect like this, and again you are good to go. And the same way you can also disable this app memory, means app lock also in the same way, just disable it. So this is really quick and easy. So where is the app cloner? So it's the settings, apps, and just you can see app clone. So you can see all the supported apps which support dual application would be listed over here, and just turn on like this. Automatically the dual app would be created, like Facebook 1, Facebook 2. And if you don't need this application, just disable this. Automatically the dual Facebook 1, Facebook 2 would be deleted. So that is really quick. You don't need to miss any notifications on your phone. That means even someone send you a WhatsApp message, and even before you read that message, someone deleted that message for everyone. Still, don't need to worry, you can still have that message. How to set that up? So first of all, just go to notifications and tap this option, notification history over here. So just go to notification history and just turn this on. What happens is, even someone deleted a WhatsApp message, by clicking delete for event, once if the message arrived on your notification panel, it would be displayed over here with the exact timestamp. Not even just a WhatsApp message, even if you cleared any of the notification by mistake, some important notification by mistake, it would be still appear on the same exact location with the exact timestamp which the notification is arrived. So this is a super useful feature. Keep it enabled. I wish I had a Samsung phone to have the edge lighting feature. The Samsung phone have this edge lighting feature. You can see this border lighting feature. No need to worry, the Iqoo in this segment also provides the edge lighting. So just go to settings and just scroll down dynamic effects, and then tap ambient light effects. Just tap over here, and you can see you can have the music light effect also. You can see music light effect. Along with that, we have the incoming calls along with the notifications light effect. So you can just tap light effect for incoming calls, and you can see. So it is limited by very few options, but still the feature is available. So that was for the incoming calls, and along with that light effect for notifications, you can see you can have the light effects for notifications also. So that the edge lightning for the Iqoo StOn Pro. And then along with that, in the dynamic effects, we have enhanced dynamic effects option available. And then apart from that, we have the touchscreen animation option. But actually, I would not recommend using this feature because it's consuming a bit more battery than usual. And then apart from that, we have home screen transition animation. That means you are switching between the applications and all. You can get this animation like a third-party launcher and all. That's upon your personal customization, you can see. And along with that, we can see you can customize like a third-party launcher and all, based on how the application should be shown and all. And then we have fingerprint icon animation, so you can customize it in your own way. So, and then fingerprint recognition animation actually can have ripple effects, fireworks, sparks and all. That means, let me show you. So currently this is the animation for the fingerprint. So if I just fingerprint recognition animation, if I switch to this one, ripple one, you can see what happens is, see this ripple animation would be here. So that is available. Then along with that, same for applicable for the face detection. So you can see multiple options are available for the face detection also. So select the one which you personally like. Then we have the charging animation, USB insert animation, and screen on and off animation is also available over there. So just it's a matter of just personal customization of the phone. And next is the always on display. So it's in the lock screen wallpaper, starting off always on display. Just turn over here and just tap off screen styles for the customization option, which we can see customization, and we can have really cool customization. You just tap over here. Wow. So, and we have display mode. If you want to show all the time, then you can set to display all day. And if you want a particular time to time, then you can set the start time as well as end time. So only from that time to that time it would be shown, else it would be do not show over here. So that option is also over there. And then apart from that, I would recommend to keep it on move phone slightly to display. So that means if your phone is idle like this, and automatically after a few seconds it would be just gone. And if we just move the phone like a bit, you can see automatically it would be shown. That's really cool. So that is always on display. And then we have the lock screen settings. So starting off from the lock screen poster, so I would just enable now, and this is the feature. That means each and every time while you unlock the phone, automatically the wallpaper would be changed. So you can even set the subscription type. That means based on your personal likes. So if you don't need to watch celebrities on the lock screen, then you can disable this. If you're really interested into which all categories, you can just select that one only. So you can have an option called add text on lock screen. That means adding a text over on the lock screen. So my personal favorite is God is love. So You can just see. So if I just lock my phone, you can see, so God is love, text would be there. And along with that, you can also select the left shortcut as right shortcut, but actually it is very limited to only few of them. So that's it. And then we have the home screen settings. So starting off from the home screen style, whether you want a with app launcher or without app launcher. Standard is without app launcher and drawer is with app launcher. And then we have a sliding effects like a third party launcher and all. You can see, we can have, see, this type of options are available, so you can just customize in your own way whether you personally like and all. And then home screen settings, and next is another feature. You can see currently if I need to drag the notification panel, I need to adjust my hand and then I need to drag. So if I just swipe down like this, automatically some global search will be appear. So just go to settings and just go to the lock screen wallpaper and just tap home screen settings and just swipe downward on home screen, just switch to notification center. What happens is now if I just swipe, automatically the notification center will be appear. So that is a really fast way to open your notification panel and toggle the features. And yeah, so that's the home screen settings, and few more options are available, so you can just customize in your own way. And then we have simple mode available, so I would just show you. So this is personally used by those people who are just bit difficult to use the normal standard layout of the phone. Actually, this wouldn't have any of the accidental touches like this. If you touch like this also, still the phone application would be open, like you can see. So no more mistouches. So XR application would be open. So, and the font size would be bigger. And you can add the application, like just click add, and you can even add your favorite contacts and all, and you can add the apps also. So that is really quick, and you can have the normal view. So this is the normal view, and let me go back. Okay, so that's it. And then we have the display and brightness. So this is the display and brightness, and starting off the eye protection mode. So just turn this on. So you can see again, also adjust the sensitivity, also intensity of the eye protection mode and all. And then we have a light mode as well as dark mode, and then we have screen colors option. By default it would be on standard, but for the maximum color vibrancy you should switch to the bright for the maximum color vibrancy. And then along with that we can have the font and display size. You can see increase the size, display size, font size, and along with that we can have the status bar option. So if you want to see all time the current download speed and upload speed, just show real-time network speed. And if you currently the battery percentage is not shown, just turn show battery percentage, the battery percentage will be also shown. So that's it. And next is a smart screen refresh rate. So at any moment of time you feel that the phone is not running on 120 hertz, you can just manually forcefully switch to 120 hertz to work it all the time in 120 hertz. Actually it would consume a bit more battery than the usual smart switch. So that's a matter of personal preference. And next is visual enhancement. That means just turn this option. So optimize the color and contrast of some pictures for a bit more. So it will be enhancing some pictures for a bit more vibrant view. So this option is also available over there. So if you want to open any application in the high performance mode, just turn on the ultra game mode and add those applications to this mode and just turn this on, and automatically when you open the application, automatically the ultra game would be turned on. Actually it have lots of settings for the high performance mode and all, and along with that we have ES sports mode for better minimize disturbances, optimized control, optimized display, and adaptive frame rate and all. And then we have the 4D game operation, game quality, sound quality, and effects, frame rate priority options, and more features like this. And this is 8GB to 5GB, but you can extend up to 8GB also. That means effectively 16GB RAM on this phone. So just go to the RAM and storage and just tap the RAM option over here. So you can just turn on this feature that effectively makes 8 plus 8 16GB. But the point to be noted is this 8GB would be used from your internal storage to 5GB. Now let's go to the camera. So starting off, we have a night mode over here. Here is a tripod mode also, and then we have the portrait mode, and we have style effects. You can see a lot of premium style effects are available, and we have filter options, and in style we can adjust the sensitivity also. And then we have the photo mode. We can take in 1x and 2x and maximum up to 10x option, and we have the HDR option available. And then we have a natural color or normal color, you can have the option also. And then in video we can record up to 4K at 30 fps, and in same way we can also do the stabilization in 4K at 30 fps, and also 1080p at 30 fps you can do the stabilization. And then in more we have the 64 dedicated mode, panoramic mode, documents mode, slow motion, time lapse, pro mode. That means we can manually adjust the aperture, also white balance and all. And then we have the sports mode, dual view, that means front and back at the same time. And then we have the live photo, which take a photo previous 1 second and after 1 second. Okay, so these are the main team features of the Iqoo Z7 Pro. So guys, that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.